In this video, I'm going to show you how to play The World I Know by Collective Soul, off of their eponymous album, Collective Soul. And if that sounds good to you, smash that like button and stay tuned. What's up, alt rockers? America's favorite guitar playing ginger is back with another guitar lesson. If this is our first time meeting, my name is Scott, and on this channel we learn how to play the best rock songs of the past and how to produce the best rock songs of the future. Leave a comment down below if The World I Know is your favorite Collective Soul song, and let's dive in. This song's going to start on this kind of interesting variation of B minor. So we'll have 7th fret on the 6th string. We'll use that first finger to mute the 5th. Then we have an open 4th. And then 2nd finger on the 7th fret of the 3rd. Now what I do here as well is I like to use my pinky to kind of mute the first 2 strings. You don't have to do that. It's just something that I'm comfortable doing. So taking that exact same shape, we'll slide it down the fretboard to the 2nd fret. And that's an F sharp chord with a flatted 6th. And then what we'll do from here is we'll slide up to the 3rd fret with the 1st finger, but the 2nd finger will move to the 4th fret. So we'll have 3rd fret 6th string, still muting the 5th, still an open 4th, and then 2nd finger on the 4th fret of the 3rd. And then we'll add a transition chord here. So from this G, we'll slide that exact shape up 2 frets, and then we're back into the start of the verse. In the right hand rhythm, we'll be doing this. Down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So all together, the intro and verse will sound like this. We play through that several times and then we get to the pre-chorus. The pre-chorus is just going to be 2 chords here. We have an A chord. Okay, you can play it with the open first if you'd like. Most people, I think, would just play it kind of the cheated version, just muting the 1st string. And then it jumps to G. So that pre-chorus section is just an A to a G. And then we jump back into the verse. So we'll play another verse and another pre-chorus, and then we finally kick in with the first chorus. The chorus is going to start on a D chord, just a regular open D, and then we'll jump to an A suspended 2nd. So for those unfamiliar, that's an open A string, 2nd fret, 4th and 3rd strings, and then an open 2nd and 1st. And then we'll go to a big G chord, and then back to the D. And here he incorporates the D suspended 4th and 2nd. So it looks like this. We're playing the D, then we add the pinky. That's the D suspended 4th. Take the pinky off, strum the regular D. Then the middle finger comes off, so we have an open 1st string. That's a D suspended 2nd. And then we put the middle finger back on for the regular D. Then we'll go to that A suspended second again. And then at this point, we're gonna go to a C add 9 chord. So that kind of has that G chord shape, but we're starting on the 5th string here. So we have 3rd fret, 5th, 2nd fret, 4th, open 3rd, and then 3rd fret, 2nd and 1st. And then finishes on that G chord again. And the right hand rhythm will be similar to what we're using in the verse, but it's not always going to be exactly the same. So try and feel the pulse of the song. Let's go through the whole chorus slow. Starts on the D, to the A suspended second, to the G, to the D, here's the C add 9, and finishes on the G. And then we'll go back into the verse. You'll play that verse riff during the breakdown, and then there'll be another pre-chorus and another chorus. The outro is gonna go like this. So we have the open D chord, and then we're gonna jump to this variation of an F sharp minor chord. So we have 2nd fret on the 6th, and we're muting the 5th, open 4th, 2nd fret 3rd, and then 3rd fret, 2nd and 1st strings. So if we think back to that chord we were using in the verse, we're just gonna be adding 3rd frets on the 2nd and 1st. And then we'll jump to a G. So it's gonna sound like this. Pretty much the same right hand rhythm we've been using in the verse. Then there'll be a quick transition chord to an A. And when you jump to that A chord, you can keep your ring finger down on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and then back to the D. So all together, slow. Was Collective Soul the best post-grunge band? Comment down below. And while you're down there, click the subscribe button to join the congregation and get more guitar lessons and videos every single week. Thanks so much for joining me, and remember, hug the gingers in your life, because we do, in fact, have souls.